type of locks I'm gonna be using today. I'm gonna be using Bobbi Boss new NU locks, 18 inches, and I'm gonna be adding some human hair curly pieces to the ends. I'm not gonna be having it throughout the hair because I'm just gonna make it easy. They're just gonna be regular locks with curly pieces at the end. And yeah, so I washed my locks with apple cider vinegar, cut out all the stuff was like, the little white stuff and stuff was coming out, which is great because you know my scalp is not like that stuff. But yeah, so let's just get started. My hair brushed out. Ooh, yeah. Plaiting all of my hair. Well, I left one out to show you that I'm braiding the top of my hair. I braid a section. I braid like maybe like 3-4 times. And then I split it in the middle. Now it's 2, only 2, not 3. And I just twist, like kind of like the Senegalese kind of twist. Most people just braid all the way, but I prefer to just twist the rest because it's faster, quicker. You gotta be quicker than that. I wonder if I could just wear my own hair out. It's giving inches. Ooh, and I'm back. Wow, did not see that. And I'm back. All right, so here's my hair. One left. And I leave them loose right here because I don't like them too tight. So I can just immediately like move my hair and stuff. So I have my crochet needle. I just use my fingers to feel. Okay, got it. Okay, opening up this loop. And then I open it, open the lock, and then wrap that lock on my hair. Do you see where I'm twisting it backwards and now it's like flatter? So that flat part, I don't know if you can see, that flat part is what I'm wrapping my own hair with. I'm not gonna wrap my hair with the other hair and then, you know, like, I know people are crocheting the lock into their long part of their hair and then wrapping other hair on top, but that's what causes hair breakage. Is you see a lot of people when they're doing their hair, they ended up cutting their own hair or pulling it out and stuff. If I just do it this way, I can literally just take out the crochet lock and that's it, instead of having to like unravel extra hair and things like that. And then sometimes when it gets like to the middle area right here, sometimes I like to go and crochet, use a crochet needle to go inside a little bit, go inside the lock, pull the hair through the lock, and keep going from there, just to make sure that it's all secure. Then I keep opening and wrapping. Sorry, I'm like thinking of so many things at once when I'm doing my hair. I get a little distracted. You know what I'm saying? All right, so I got some hair from from the stove. It's just some loose wave. Oh my gosh, my eyeball. Eats my eyeball. So I'm just going to braid it, open the end of this lock, and braid it. Okay. More braiding. Wrap it. Oh, I forgot my scissors. Sipping on some scissors. Ship. All right, so this is some Marley hair, old Marley hair, and I just took I halved it, and I'm just going to use that. Oh, by the way, this is human hair, so that and the ends, this is after it's been stretched, but it gets curly when I wet it. I just sometimes like it stretched like that straight kind of look, and it makes my locks a lot longer. But yeah, so I just wrap. Wrap. I also use some nail glue. It's one of the best ones. KISS. Just a little bit of dab. And then I just keep wrapping till it's taut. I feel it sway, dun 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 dun. I feel it sway, dun dun dun. All right, so and it is complete. So I'm gonna put the super glue on there, or nail glue on there, and it is all done. See how curly it is? That's how curly it is. Then I'll probably straighten it, because when I put it in like a bun, it straightens itself. And that's that. Thanks for staying with me, sticking it through. See you later. Bye. Have you guys seen that? Bye. All right. See you.